What's up? Junior Beast here. They're reviewing Bahama Mama Gfuel. Bahama Man. Roman Atwood's flavor. If you don't know who he is, I got my, it smells like coconut. It smells good. Okay, I got my Peach Pie shaker cup. See what flavor, color. Okay. It looks orange. Okay. Back in 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, it's like a really weird orange color. And it seems thick. Should we hear that? It's like a... Oh, no. It smells like orange soda. Like, it smells like crushed soda. And it smells like crushed soda. Powder smells like coconut. But this smells like crushed soda. What? No. No way. No way. There's no way. There's no way that's better than... It's so good. It tastes like... It's a strong coconut flavor. It's really strong coconut flavor, but it's not like terrible. If you don't like coconut, I understand that you won't like this, but I think coconut's good. Like coconut and orange mixed together. That is... Like, have you ever had a pina colada? This is what it tastes like. It's like a pina colada, just with orange in it. That's really what this tastes like. Okay? And I'll tell you what I rate this in next. Okay, so, I think I rate this... Okay, I think I rate Bahama Mama there, see? I think I rate this higher than PewDiePie. This is better. This is better than PewDiePie, oh my god. It's better than PewDiePie's flavor. It is so damn good. Dang, bro. Second best. Okay, so here's the order of my Gfuel flavors, okay? Let me get them. Okay. So, this is alright. First, best. Okay. Second. This is second. So, first, typo. Good flavor. Second best, Bahama Mama. Third best, PewDiePie. Okay. Oh, dang it. Fourth best, strawberry banana. And fourth best, strawberry banana. Fifth favorite, cotton candy. Okay. And then lastly, twisted candy. They're not all terrible, disgusting flavors. Twisted candy's not disgusting. It's just worse than the others. So, there's one, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. That's it for Bahama Mama taste test. And hope you liked the video. And if you want, you can buy a Gfuel. I recommend it. Okay. Buy it today. Okay. Cool. Thanks. Peace. Junior Beasto. Junior Beasto. Junior Beast. Oh.